It's 2019, and if you want to know what's coming up on the channel this year, then stick around. So in terms of what I've got planned for the channel this year, this channel is still primarily a prop and costume channel. I'm going to be building more cosplays, more props, maybe expanding into a few things. I do a few reactions every now and again, usually to Star Wars trailers or trailers for movies, things like that, but there's not going to be a lot of that. I think I'm going to be talking more about costume and prop making in general, giving some examples and hints and tricks, things like that. There may be some reviews as well. This may be products if I have them, and also movies that come out that I enjoy. But like I said, primarily prop and costume building. I'm looking to expand my camera setup so we get maybe better quality videos. I'm looking to expand my tools and skills and things like that, so my arsenal of things that I can use to make props and costumes will improve. In terms of a sneaky peek as to what's coming up on the channel this year, I have a first cosplay planned for the year, which hopefully I'll have done in time for about spring or so. Hopefully I'll be able to take it to MCM London in May. I think I'm going to move a little bit away from the Star Wars cosplays this year. I finished 3 last year, bringing it to a total of 4 in general, so I have 4 Star Wars costumes. I quite like to try a different universe, and I'm definitely going to do that this year. My first cosplay will be foraying into Middle-earth, so that's going to be fun. I'm actually going to be doing an elf from Middle-earth. I kind of relate to those guys. I don't know if it's because I'm kind of snobby or I don't know. Nah. But I'm going to be doing a full set of armour for that. That's going to be fun. That's underway. What else? I also found out there is an independent Harry Potter convention up in Manchester called DrakeCon. I'm pretty stoked about going to this. I didn't know it existed. So I am going to be entering that universe with a cosplay and getting up there. I think they go in July and in the autumn sometime. So yeah, definitely going to get out there for that and do a costume. You might be able to guess by my complexion and hair colouring what I might go for in the Harry Potter universe. But fear not, I am not abandoning Star Wars altogether. I've got lots of different bits to build. I've got some kits to build. I've got props to make. I've got some of these planned out as well. It should be fun. Actually, I also have a run going on the RPF. I put together a run of Imperial field knives from the movie Solo. They were a concept for that movie, and I've got the run going right now. We're manufacturing all the parts, so if you want to get involved, head over to the RPF. I'll of course leave a link to that in the description below. But yeah, I hope you guys stay with me this year. Welcome to everyone who's new to the channel. Thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel over the last year and a half or so. Your support means a lot to me in terms of me being able to do this, and I did mention in my last video, at the moment I get nothing from YouTube, so it's just me running the channel. I film, make, edit everything. I don't get any returns from YouTube. I don't make any money in that way. So yeah, at the moment, just by watching the videos, you're going to be supporting the channel a hell of a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will of course see you in the next build. And of course, till then, take care. Bye bye. No, I'm still here, just on the floor.